Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas. So I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Today I'm doing a smoky brown eye with a glossy ombre lip. I really love this makeup look. Like, as of right now, this is the look that I'm going to be wearing on Christmas. So I really love this look. It's really simple but really cute, and it matches with everything. So yeah, but welcome back to Vlogmas. This is day 16, so I'm only a day behind now. I'm still trying to catch up, but yeah. And also, if you didn't know, on my makeup Instagram page, which is at Makeup by Jasmine, the link is down in the description box. I'm doing 12 days of makeup, so ever since the 13th, from December 13th up until Christmas Day, I'm going to be uploading or posting a new makeup look every day on my makeup Instagram is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, this is one of those looks. I am recording them as well. That way, you know, if I like them, I can put out the footage as a Vlogmas video. And the previous one, I believe, I don't think I posted that, and I'm not going to post that because I don't like the way that turned out. I still posted it on my Instagram, but I didn't like the way that turned out. But so far, other than that look that I didn't like, I liked the other ones. Like, I like this one, I like the first one I did, and then the one that I did today, I really like it as well. So this is basically me trying to prove myself and trying to see where my makeup skills are. So with the look that I did today, I'm really happy. All I'm going to say is that it's a cut crease look, and can't wait for that. That's going to go up today because I'm doing this voiceover. It's 3:58 in the morning. But the picture that I'm talking about, that makeup look is going to go up today, which is Tuesday the 17th. Yeah. But yeah, it's almost officially like a week until Christmas. And yeah, if you watched my vlog that I posted yesterday, I'm just not in the Christmas spirit. I usually am, but I'm just not this year. I'm not feeling it, which sucks because I love Christmas, but this year I'm just not feeling it. I don't know what it is. But anyways, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and finish editing and upload this. But thank y'all so much for watching. Stick around, watch the rest of the tutorial, and I hope that you like the rest of the tutorial. If you do, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing Vlogmas this year. Vlogmas is almost over. It's only like a week left of Vlogmas, but make sure you subscribe anyway. And I will see y'all tomorrow for the next Vlogmas. And leave a comment down below letting me know what you think. Alright, bye y'all.